Hi. I didn't see there. Today we went to the 51st Amherst train show and we got all this stuff. This is $50 worth of Thomas stuff. Yeah, we kind of cut down and got less stuff. So let's start with the wooden railways. First, I got the Hard at Work Thomas from 1998 or 99. If you could see in there. No, 2001, because it has a name. And the old style Duke. You can tell it's old style because rounded funnel instead of a plastic funnel. And there's no name on the bottom, so Duke's coal car isn't said right there. And now the thing that we got the most of, Erdl. First up, the Diesel. This is the portrait packaging with the original logo. This is like really heavy. What are you doing? Design flaw. Next up, the Defuse It gunpowder wagons. Aaron wanted to get this for a long time, and he finally found it today. This is the 2002 versions with that logo. Do you get the pun? Defuse it. Diffuse it. Next up, Scrap Trevor. Also known as Trevor in a flatbed, spray painted brown. And next up, Thomas in Thomas and the Tragic Railroad packaging. I finally have a Thomas, but I'll keep it in the packaging because it's Magic Railroad. If only Lady was there, I would have gotten Lady instead of Thomas. And finally, Old Slow Coach. And finally, Old Slow Coach. Yeah, the vendor that was selling all of these Erdls also sold a wall of wooden railway in boxes. But it was kind of overpriced because like it had a wooden railway old slow coach in the package for like $25, and yeah, I don't really want to spend that much. But this was like $8, so I got that. I'm what it. And the last thing that I got is this book, the Encyclopedia of Model Railroads. It has a bunch of stuff about how to make models, how to construct things, how to make a whole set. Oh, and I also got some Legos. Jack Skellington and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. You can tell that these aren't official. There was like a whole vendor selling like specially made ones of like weird characters and stuff. So that was all of the stuff that I got at the Amherst 51st train show, and I hope to go there next year and go to other places within the year and find more stuff. Because right now we only have 15 Erdls, these 5 plus those.